Just on this bridge now. It's a bit more sturdy than the other one actually. Funny enough. This is just insane. Such amazing place. So I could literally like sit here all day listening to the water. Bliss. So the final stop on our road trip is to Portrush, and we're just staying here for one night. My sister-in-law is from here, Rushing, shout out to you. So we're just staying for the night and have a nice dinner. So let me show you the apartment. So I'm just going to give you a tour of our apartment. This is the room. I was only finished decorating last week. So nice. This is the bathroom. A shower. And then into the kitchen lounge. It's a gorgeous apartment. And the kitchen, but no cooking will be done. And Pearl, the lovely Pearl, left us a bottle of wine. Hello. She's the owner. She showed us around. And then we have some travellers in here. Hello. Hello. And there's Maura. Fabulous apartment. Lovely. So, coming at the end of our day road trip, and we had from breakfast with the most amazing view from Coco Cafe in Portrush. We're just walking along the beach now. Oh, it's a bit sunny as you can see. Oh, God, I do miss the beach. And the water is so clear. So nice, it'd be so nice to run along there. Well, peace out guys.